Hey everyone! Want to stand out using trending reels without copying everyone else? Here's how to mix popular trends with your own original voiceovers. Let's get started. First, start by finding a trending reel. Then go to the Reels tab and note the audio that's going viral. Then, tap Use Template or Use Audio. Then, to begin your own version of it. Then, instead of using the original sound, record your own voiceover to tell a story, explain a tip, and add humor. Tap voiceover during editing, then press record while watching the preview. You can adjust the volume of the background music so your voice is clear. You can also even add captions on the on screen text for better engagement and accessibility. Now, that's how you're going to remix the trending reels with your own unique voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.